more easy than because you're fixing it and you should.
So these are the guns. You can see it's 9mm, I guess. Or now we have a briefing. Then after that we have a shot. So see, the बच्चे अंजे घूम रहे हैं अंदर जब पार्क आ गए. फॉर्म फिल कर दिए. अच्छो सब कर रहे हैं फॉर्म फिल. तो चो सब अपना लगता मोबाइल नंबर ही भूल गए. सर वो उसमें इमरजेंसी में उनका डाल देना, बाजी का डाल दें.
इमरजेंसी थी
फिर उन्होंने रिक्वायरमेंट तो है ना.
गोली चली दो
अच्छा ब्रीफिंग के लिए बैठ गए हैं. 25 शॉट्स हैं ईच. और गन भी हम चूज़ कर सकते हैं 9mm लेने हैं या दूसरी गन है. तो अभी ब्रीफिंग के लिए बैठ गए. अभी ब्रीफिंग सुनते हैं तो फिर आपसे मिलते हैं.
3 things priority in this club. Okay. 1 is safety, 2nd is safety, 3rd is safety. Okay. We are using live ammunition. Okay, and real gun. Okay. This is Caracal F, standard 9mm parabellum round. Locally made here. Okay. So when you say 9mm, that's the bullet. Not the gun. The gun is the Caracal. Okay. Now, in the range, I want you to remember 3 things. Actually, it's 4, but we only discuss 3. Rule number 1. Rule number 1 is that you always treat the gun a loaded weapon. Even it's empty, nothing there. I want you to think that there's 1 bullet inside. Okay. Second, when you hold the gun, I want you to keep it pointed to the target only. Only there. Do not turn around.
Okay.
If you want to take a break, just put down the gun. Same position, still pointing in that way.
Okay, got it.
Third, this is the trigger finger. This is one we're going to use. And this is the trigger. If you're going to squeeze this one, this thing fire with a bullet inside. Now, if you're not ready, outside only. Only put it in when you're ready to shoot. Clear with that one? The 4th one is for outdoor. Is that you have to be very considerate when we are shooting the gun. You have to know what's beyond your target. Okay, maybe when you shoot, it's an open space, somebody's crossing, or simply do not shoot what you don't want to damage. Okay? Sure. So, in here, it's an indoor range, so you don't have to worry about what's beyond it. Okay? So, we got the stand, you got the hand, and you know your dominant eye. I want you to hold the gun all the way up, okay? All the way up, trigger finger. When you grab the gun, cover that one with your weak hand. Remember, trigger finger, left thumb, always in the same position, okay?
Same position,
Okay? From there, do not do like this. Remember, the gun goes backward, the slide. It will actually hit this one if you are in there, in the way. So keep it there, bring it up, lean forward. When you lean forward, this is how you're going to see the sights. Front sight, rear sights. Sights, front, bring it here. See that gap? I want you to see inside the same height. The top of this one should be at the same level. Same level. Okay. I want you to grab the gun, please.
So here we have a target and also we have a range. So we have a 9mm headphones, so we can hit this as well. And target will started with 10 meters, then it will be goes maximum 15 meters. So we can start from the 10 meters because we are doing a first time. और पाकिस्तान में तो कभी किया नहीं है, इनको तो ये बताना है. वैसे भी नहीं किया है, शरीफ बंदे हैं. तो अब देखते हैं कि कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहता है. So 25 bullets, okay.
How to hold properly, okay? No space. You're out, you hold it strong. Support. You show the same. Rest, okay. The most important is shooting is our side. You need to see the tops level. For example, this is the front side for rear side, okay. All the tops. Done. Easy, right? It's more easy than because you're fixing it and you should. It does not move anymore. All you have to do is to sit there. gun is, rather than the pistol. This is your CZ Scorpion.
Okay, weapon down.
Machine
Look here.
gun, SMG.
Okay.